What's going on, guys? This is Blader Jordan here today, and I'm back with another Metal Fight Beyblade battle. This time we have another Beyblade Legends battle between Lightning L-Drago100HF flat, and it's going to be going up against Gravity Destroyer Armor Defense 145 Defense. So both bays are going to be spinning to the left. So how many things going to win down below? Go shoot. Go shoot. Okay, that was a horrible launch on Lightning L-Drago. Ooh, almost a knockout. Oh, but Lightning L-Drago still takes it. Nice. Go shoot. Go shoot. Okay, Gravity Destroyer takes the second point, so it's 1-1. Go shoot. Go shoot. Alright, Lightning L-Drago makes another knockout. 2-1 now. Okay, never mind. 2-2. Goes. Oh, wow. Okay. Falling off the prawns. Goes. Shoot. Alright, and L-Drago falls out the stadium. Let me redo that over. Okay. L-Drago knocks out. So I believe the score is 3-2. Okay, 4-2. Let's see if this kid be the final round. Go shoot. This sucks that L-Drago can't spin still, since both bays are spinning to the left. Okay, Gravity Destroyer takes it, so the score is 4-3. Go shoot. And Lightning L-Drago100HF flat is the winner of this battle and beats the Gravity Destroyer. So Lightning L-Drago takes it. Hope you guys, oh, let me spin it. All right, hope you guys enjoy this battle. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more Metal Fight Beyblade battles. Comment down below which different types of Metal Fight Beyblade battles you would like to see, and I'll do them. With that being said, I'll see you guys later.